Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins, the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans ended the session modestly higher on Wednesday, continuing to see at least some kind of optimism ahead of the resumption of cabinet-level trade talks with China, which are scheduled to start on Thursday, running through Friday. At this point, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of actual optimism about a resolution in this round of negotiations, but again, both sides coming to the table at this level is seen as a positive. Soybeans are also watching planning weather in South America and U.S. crop conditions. Corn ended the session modestly lower on profit-taking, getting ready for the new supply and demand numbers out Thursday at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central. Weather issues were kind of a background factor, but much of the Midwest and Plains is expected to see a much colder pattern over the next several days, including some very heavy snow in parts of the region. Wheat ended the session mixed. Chicago and Kansas City continue to watch the winter wheat planting pace after some recent rainfall in parts of the Plains, while Minneapolis is down despite continued concerns about spring wheat harvest activity. Live and feeder cattle were higher, with feeders in the lead ahead of this week's widespread direct cash cattle business. Direct cash cattle markets remained fairly quiet on Wednesday. Widespread trade could start on Thursday or Friday, though. And hogs were higher, also fairly optimistic about China. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.